Hello everyone. Today I will talk about my favorite food. My favorite food is Buddha cup noodles. First, open the cup, take out the sauce. Next, pour hot water into the cup. Wait for 3 minutes. Then pour out the water. After that, put in the sauce. Mix the noodles well. Now the noodles are ready. I like Buddha cup noodles because they are hot and yummy. I sometimes eat them with cheese or an egg. They taste very good. I do not eat them every day. I eat them sometimes with my family. We enjoy them together. Thank you for listening.